Lock of knives. This thing is very unique locking mechanism. I never seen that before. So you see there's a button, you just twist it and then it becomes like a gravity knife, and then twist it this way and somehow it makes it really tight. Looks like inside of the steel right here somewhere, either the blade or the handle. This is the tribute to Tokarev, and it says in Russian right here Urakov. That's what it says. And then there's a TT33. Beautiful. Close it, let it go and lock it back up. It's not gonna come out. Real quick, fast, boom, lock, unlock. Now real quick, open, boom. Super unique gravity knife over here. This is probably weirdest knife ever made. Let me show it to you guys. Knives are everyday carry for work. You see right now it looks like a flipper, but it won't open. Guess what? This whole frame will open. They don't open all the way. This is so funky. Then to close it, it's assisted. You go like that and lock it in. So this is built-in safety. Open it, flick it. What's happening? Flick it, locks in all the way. Boom. I love the color of the knife. Lock it. So built-in safety right here. Definitely weirdest knife ever made. Weird invention right here. Buck knives are pretty good though. High quality steel. Very unique. Got right here the coolest box cutter. First of all, box cutter, scraper, box cutter, put it away. Oil can opener or whatever, like a paint can opener. So very interesting tool, really thick and big, tough build. Scrape utility knife, cut, scrape, one of a kind for sure. Put it away. Also comes with a pretty nice holder right here. You see, there's a belt lock. They said here if you press it to take off your belt, the whole tool if you have to. That's kind of nice. Got it here, weirdest knife ever made by Boker. Boker Matic. There's little instructions. So let's see what it's all about. This is a little bit vintage knife. I had to pay for it $150 for a good condition knife. There's a lot cheaper ones, but look at that. It goes, slides this way. It's OTF knife, and then it slides back in. And then you press it this way. Oh, it's supposed to fly back down. So yeah, that's just a little bit of a problem with that. Let's see if it slides out better. So you fold it this way, push it in, and it locks in. And then the idea of it, you're supposed to be able to push it and it flies back in. What it says on it, Boker Matic, Argentina, 700 stainless. So vintage layered knife, and usually you want your knife to fly forward and fly back, just like any kind of microtex. This one is opposite. Will it pull? Nope, it locked in right now. So again, move the handle, align it with this little metal piece in there. Oh, too soon. Then lock it. Okay, makes sense. I think I know how it works. You unlock it, lock it, it locks in by itself, the handle, and then you press this way, it resets it, then you kind of let it hit a little bit and it flies down, and then you lock it. That's a very weird mechanism. Otto-phone knife, very slow, just super legal I guess, because there is no law against folding it in very fast, but I would check your own local laws. You never know what kind of laws out there. But yeah, just like a little Otto-phone knife, except it flies fast when it folds, not flies out when it unfolds. super weird. But I bought it on eBay because nothing wrong with that. It's not about fast opening, it's about fast closing. For example, you got it here, regular OTF knife. This is signature series. You see how it flies out. It's a double action. 1, 2. So there is a built-in safety. Easy and then harder. Versus this one, nothing fast about that. And the only fast thing about it is just flipping it this way. It locks in. This is just funny. I love when they make unique knives like that. I'll buy them anytime to make a video of, and I like having a weirdness knife collection. You see that? That is so cool. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? Also, there's a quick instructions how to use it. Hopefully I used it right. And if all you have to do is just hold it this way and boom, it opens. So it's a clear hidden feature. And how does it open? Got it here, weirdest knife ever made. This is like a hidden opener. So there's no way to open it. There's no like little thumb studs, no nail pusher. And if you don't know what this knife about, there's no way you can open it. But if I just grab it like that and boom, it's all of a sudden opened. This is the knife maker. And they said here, if you can figure it out what it says, the model of it and stuff like that. Scale something something, there you go. But what's so beautiful about it? Obviously this is a high-end knife, high-end materials. It's a liner lock, super easy to close it and very smooth, except right here you kind of got like assisted motion like that, and it locks in. So now you cannot open it. You can pull as much as you want. You can try to get pliers and it won't open. And if all you have to do is just hold it this way and boom, it opens. So it's a clear hidden feature. And how does it open? This side here, the whole handle moves from the bottom to the top. So all I have to do is just twist it a little bit and it opens. One more time, look at that blade. I really like how they did the design on a blade. I don't know how they treated the blade this way. It is really thin at the end over here. Beautiful, unique knife for sure. Also, this is so easy to put your finger in and open it. Super smooth till it comes to this assisted part. Boom. So easy to open it. Unless you don't know how to. It's kind of hard. So yeah, that's beautiful. Don't you guys think? One of a kind. There's a clip. Carbon fiber, really nice design, beautiful clip. These things are pretty expensive, they cost them. So yeah, you just hold it this way and boom, just press a little bit. It's assisted, opens up. You don't have to have thumb stubs or anything. It's kind of like a hidden feature, so that's kind of one of a kind for sure. And the blade is just so amazing. I love how they treated it this way. Probably did it by hand. So what do you guys think? Same thing if I push it from the bottom. Let's see if it will work. It did. So you can push it from the bottom or the top. Whatever is easier for you. You can push it right here or right here. This way or this way. And it will open. Kind of unique. Don't you guys think? Definitely weirdest knife ever made. Going into that category collection. I like that one a lot.